Why, hello there. Thank you so much for joining me again. I wanted to share with you another set of St. Patrick's Day DIYs using Dollar Tree products. The first DIY is with the candles. I was happy enough to find some green candles, I want to say around Christmas time, so I saved them for St. Patrick's Day. I have not been able to find them around recently, so I'm happy that I grabbed them then. And so easy to decorate these candles and just put them up anywhere. I found some images on my Cricut design space. I used one that said blessed and lucky, and then I had another one that said Irish at heart. I don't know if I'm Irish, but my birthday is on St. Patrick's Day, and I am married into an Irish family. We have a big Irish last name, so I am definitely Irish at heart. And nice and easy with my transfer paper, I put on these vinyl pieces. Very, very easy. I also was trying to find some stickers, and I wasn't able to find them, but I'm sure you can find some St. Patrick's Day stickers and put them on your candles if you do not have a Cricut machine. But look how cute. I just used twine and some ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree, and voila, there it is. Minutes. Second DIY was using the dice, the foam dice from the Dollar Tree, and the balloons. I grabbed, I want to say like 3 packages of balloons because I wasn't sure how many green ones were in there. But I only needed one. There were 4 green balloons that I needed just for this project. So I was happy about that. And I stretched out the balloon. And then I cut the top of the balloon off so that I could stretch over the balloon on each dice. And then once I was finished with that, I cut off the excess balloon so that they would sit and not fall over or tilt or anything like that. So then I just carefully put it over the dice. So much easier than painting the dice. Doesn't always work. It just happened to work this time because the balloon was darker and you couldn't see the numbers from the inside. So easy. We'll stretch right over. And I did this for each balloon, and then I found another image on my Cricut design space that spelled out luck, and the U had the shamrock. You see me putting the shamrock on the balloon, but then I changed my mind because I really wanted a horseshoe with a shamrock, and I ended up finding that by itself in my design space, so I used that for the U. Like I said, you can also grab stickers at the Dollar Tree or Walmart or Michael's and decorate that way. I just happen to use my vinyl. And look how cute. It's definitely in my decor piece at home. The little shamrock is the glitter shamrock that I used, or the vinyl that I used before. So that DIY also took minutes. And then this one took a little longer, but it is so stinking cute. I saw a lot of kissing booths for Valentine's Day, and I definitely wanted to do one, but I had so many other Valentine's Day projects that I did that I figured I would put my own spin on it using St. Patrick's Day items. So you know the saying, kiss me, I'm Irish. I decided to use that. I found that on my design space for Cricut, and I used that. So I found a whole bunch of different green paint at Michael's, and I chose this color. I will put it in the description down below what color green I used. And then I found the wooden boxes. I found these wooden crates that are awesome, and then of course the wooden dowels. And that's all that I needed for the wooden piece of this project. I then painted over and inside the box and the crate and the wooden dowels. The wooden dowels, I think I put 2 coats of paint on because it's a little tricky to paint without getting your fingers all over and all that jazz, but I ended up making it work. And then I hot glued each dowel in the corner of the box as shown. And I was so excited about the wooden crate. It must have just come out. So I will get to that in a second. But before I did that, I put on the vinyl piece that says "Kiss Me, I'm Irish" on the front of the little gnome's kissing booth. So easily with my contact paper or my transfer paper, I easily put that on. Of course, you want to wait until your paint is completely dry, or else you'll definitely pull paint off. So nice, slow, easy. Voila, there it goes. Oh my goodness, so cute. You can also seal this with Mod Podge. I did not seal over this one. And then for the crate, I realized that after I did this video that I'm going to go back to doing videos on the side of me with the camera pointing down, because I can't see that you can't see all of this. So I glued it so that there was like an awning in front of the kissing booth. You can't really see it very well, but if you go look on the right side of that Shamrock tinsel, you can see it hanging over the wooden dowel, and that's what I did. So I used this tinsel Shamrock wire stuff, and I kind of just twisted it around and made it, oh, it was just gorgeous. So I made it so that it was in the front and on the sides of the front of the dowels, if that makes sense. As in the picture you can see. And this gnome I found at the Dollar Tree a few weeks ago, and I painted his hat orange. I did 2 coats, and then I took a green paint marker and I made little shamrocks on his hat all over the place. And I know I say it all the time, but my beauty, my little puppy, is sleeping right next to me, and she's always snoring away. So if you hear her in the background, that's my little puppy taking a little nap. But so nice and easy. Just putting little shamrocks on his hat. I didn't seal his hat either, but you can with Mod Podge, so it doesn't come off. And then you don't see, but I have little foam glittery shamrocks and gold pieces that were at the Dollar Tree. I stuck that inside the box. There's 2 big shamrocks underneath the gnome so that he's sitting up a little higher. So I didn't want him all the way down because you couldn't see his face. So as you can see, the shamrocks that I'm putting inside the box, I took 2 of those and I stuck them and glued them on the bottom, and then I put the gnome on top. And then I poured in the other glittery pieces, and look how stinking cute that is. So here you have it, 3 DIY projects for St. Patrick's Day. Easy. Takes minutes to do these, and as well as the candles. I love how these came out. Definitely beats painting, especially if you can't see the color of the dice underneath. That's a bonus. So worked very well with these green balloons and the orange dice. And then these cute little candles. I always say that I have to bring it to the store, but I need some decorations for the house, so I don't know. If I need more, I can always go get more, but I went to the Dollar Tree this morning and there weren't any. Green ones at least. There were white ones, but no green ones. And this little kissing booth with the little gnome for St. Patrick's Day. Kiss me, I'm Irish, she says. So that's it. Well, I need a few materials and a little bit of time, and it's very relaxing. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to hit that button as well as the like button, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you're working on, or if you're working on anything, or if you want to do this craft as well, just to say hi if you want to. I love St. Patrick's Day. It is my birthday, so I cannot wait for that every year. It's always so much fun. That's it. So again, stay safe, take care, be blessed, and I will see you next time. Bye.